nella mia cucina. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I wanna just remind you how my cooking box works. So if you order my cooking box, you can have at home a selection of Sicilian food that I personally selected visiting the small producers, and they are wrapped with this mappina, the kitchen towel. The ingredients you will find in the box could be used not only to prepare this specific meal, but you can continue to use them anytime. You can find also this wrapping paper from the butcher shop. Isn't that amazing? And the QR code that permit you or permit me to appear in your kitchen to cook a Sicilian meal together. Follow me in the next videos to discover how to use the ingredient to prepare other and a lot of recipes. Vi aspetto! Ciao belli!